Hello friends and family, good afternoon, good morning, wherever where you are watching me from. I greet you according to your time. This is Woman of Success Kitchen. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, why she's not making her food? You know, it's Christmas period. That's why I'm on break. I'm on holiday, so that's why. But sooner now, you guys will be seeing me with a different dimension of food, a different food that you never think of. That is my new one in 2021 by the grace of God. So today is appreciation video. I'm here to appreciate people that have really done well for me in YT. It's not easy. It's not really easy, you know. There are some people, when they help you, you will have body hits. Like, oh, what is this? But the people I've met on YT, they are not like that. I so much appreciate them. I so much love them. And I think on this my video, I'm going to be tagging them, like for them to know that I really appreciate what they have done for me. I cannot give them a millions of money. I cannot build a house for them. The only way they will know I really appreciate what they have done for me is for me to just come out there to tell them a big thanks. And I really want to say I appreciate you all. A big thanks to you all. May God bless you all people. May God continue to guide your household. So super excited. Anytime when I'm watching Ege show, my heart is always full of joy. Why? Because the way she always like talk about me, I'm like, oh my God. Like a video she made yesterday, I was like, oh my God. The Ege show, I say, may God bless you, because over all those things that is making you to say, oh, Woman of Success, I don't even know if I'm making the food good, if it's nice or not. But the way you are saying it, you are giving me more power. You are inspiring me to do more. And I promise you, I will never disappoint you. And I really want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. May God bless you. And guys, if you have not subscribed to the Ege show, you better do. You better go and visit that home. I'm always saying it. That home is a topic of couples. If you know your home is getting somehow, visit that home, the Ege show. Visit that YouTube channel. Go and visit her. Try to go and subscribe to her channel. You will enjoy it. I know what I'm telling you guys. You will really enjoy it. And Ege show, continue to do your good work. Don't let something to push you out. Always stand by your words. I love your talk. I love your show. Thank you. That's why when I'm watching it, I'm always watching. I always share you on my Facebook anyway. I share you. When I see your video, I always share. I know you don't do something stupid. I always share your video. Continue. And also, I really want to appreciate Exclusive Beauty. She is a mother. She is a mother. She's just like my senior sister from another mother. She is so lovely. You will call her in the middle of the night, she will pick. You will call her in the daytime, she will pick. Exclusive Beauty, I want to say continue doing your good work. Don't allow, because people do this or that, to make you to change. Keep on doing your good work, and God will always bless you. Thank you so much for you. Always be there for people. I say may God bless you. I'm Mama Didi Canada, the only woman who know how to make up without no mirror. I want to say I love you all. I love you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. In short, if I did not mention your name, does not mean that you are not doing well on YT or you are doing well. Just that the people on my brain, that is the one I can remember. I love everybody. I love all my family on my YouTube. I love you all, guys. I really do love you all, guys. So tomorrow, I will go on live, and I think maybe I will invite a lot of people. Tomorrow is appreciation day to your mom. Tomorrow I'm going to do appreciation day to a mother, to all mother, to the all mother in the whole wide world, including me, because I am a mother. So I'm going to do appreciation video tomorrow. So this one is just that I'm here today because someone asked me to help her to advertise something, which the thing is really good for me. Normally, this is not my work. It's supposed to be for Mama Didi. But maybe I will post this contract to her. But she just plead me to say, please do it for me. As you can see, this is soap to wash your body. When I see my skin, I see the glitter. You can see it. She gave me 2 to try. So when I try it, it was really, really nice. I have to order different type. Mostly when you have dry skin. Guys, this soap is amazing soap. It's really, really amazing soap. It can go everywhere of the world, even to Nigeria it can go. This soap, if you use it, you will testify. Me, I don't come out to come and say something that is not going well. I always come out when the thing is, when I've tried it. I've tried this soap for my kids, for myself. It's really, really amazing. Mostly when you have dry skin, this soap, I promise you, in 1 week, you will not know your skin again. This soap, this soap, this soap, this soap. You see, now say as a big soap, as a just big, so now say they walk. So guys, if you live in England, anywhere of the country, is very good for the skin, because like me, my boy has a very strong skin. Our skin is very dry, but the time we started using this soap, I see the difference on it, and it's very cheap, very, very cheap, very, very cheap. If you buy like they have two types, they have different type of color, like this purple one. This is the one I'm using. This one is for the one my kids they are using. But when you buy something of £20, they will deliver it to your door for free of charge. You don't need to pay for delivery. It's for free when you buy it for £20. But when you buy something for like £10, £5, you have to pay for shipping. But when you buy something for like £20, they will bring it for you free delivery. So guys, I will not see good things that I will not say. So guys, if you are interested, just drop your comments below the comment section. I will always get in touch with you. It can go everywhere. If you know your kids have dry skin, also hair, when you have it, your hair is damaged, they have a shampoo for that, they have makeup, they have everything. Maybe time to time, but she just asked me to do this first. Maybe by the time it's going well, then we can do things together. But for now, I can tell you guys, if you open this thing and you smell it, who do you use it to bath? The smell is still there. Oh my God. In short, just little perf you just add to your body. Carry go. Okay guys, happy Christmas and happy New Year in advance. May the Lord continue to guide and protect us. Please don't fail to pray. Prayer is the key to everything in life. Thank you all guys. Thank you to all my family. I say may God bless you all. I will see you guys in January by the grace of God with my new package of kitchen. My kitchen has to be packaging. I have to do it like never before. So guys, stay tuned and always watch Woman of Success Kitchen. So guys, I will leave you guys now. See you soon. See you on my next video. Thank you all for watching. I say God bless you. Bye for now.